Welcome to Product Critique, where we bring you in-depth reviews on the best products out there. Today, we're taking a look at what could be the best A5 6-hole punch on the market, the WORKLION adjustable 6-hole punch with positioning mark. Whether you're into journaling, planner customization, or simply need to punch holes in your A5-sized binder pages, this product is designed to make that task easier and more efficient. First off, let's talk about the build quality. The WORKLION 6-hole punch is durable and sturdy, made of metal and rubber materials that are designed to last. It's perfect for all those who love to organize their notes, planner inserts, or any document you want to customize. The puncher can handle a variety of A5-sized planners, including Filofax, Franklin Covey, and other similar binders, making it incredibly versatile. One of the standout features of this punch is its adjustable functionality. It comes with a hole guideline on the base, making it easy for you to adjust the spacing between the holes. You can set the distance between holes in 4 positions: 19 mm, 38 mm, 51 mm, and 70 mm, allowing you to customize your punches according to the binder you're using. The 2 sets of 3 holes spaced at 19 mm give you great flexibility when creating the perfect punched page. In addition to its adjustability, the WORKLION puncher is also designed with user comfort in mind. The non-slip rubber base ensures it stays in place while you work, preventing any slipping or sliding. The puncher's working parts are detachable, making it easy to clean up the chip tray when you're done. It can punch up to 6 sheets of paper at once, with a 5.5 mm diameter hole, which means it's great for daily use in both home and office settings. Another great addition is the included plastic ruler. This stretchable ruler helps keep your paper aligned, ensuring your punches are always accurate and neat. If you've ever struggled with making holes in the wrong place or with misaligned sheets, this feature is a real lifesaver. Overall, the WORKLION adjustable 6-hole punch is an excellent tool for anyone who needs a reliable, customizable, and easy-to-use hole punch for their A5-sized planners. It combines durability, precision, and ease of use, making it a top choice for anyone looking to organize their planner or notebook. If you're looking for a way to punch perfectly aligned holes in your A5-sized paper, this is definitely the product for you. It's affordable, highly functional, and designed to meet your organizational needs. That wraps up today's review. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest reviews here on Product Critique. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.